Realize naman there's a need to be more proactive kasi behavior talaga ini, di ba? Sometimes you really need to push for a legislation so that people can also like change. Eventually, naagrihan ng council nga i-ban talaga ang sale all over the 44 barangays at Paranas. Kaya di rin magiging effective ang usang ordinance kung magiging selective lang kita kung ano natin gusto i-implement. So meaning to say, ang mga nanay nag-i-express nga, uy, maupay because eventually I can already like not just summon my kid, no? Masasaway ko na hiya kay. Usually, bisan mong sawayon, kung accessible ang sa nga sigarilyo na tindahan, mapalit lagyan ang bata. And you cannot control them when they are outside your houses or the schools. So we went barangay to barangay, clustered them, and we did a public hearing where we had to use Facebook, no, social media account of Paranas para ma-broadcast namin ang ordinances and the provisions of the ordinance. Diri pa kami strictly impose ng mga penalties within a period of 6 months, meaning to say until December, kay July naman next month. But after that, we will strictly impose. But we will go high on campaigning against the sale. Of course, the use in public and also even in their homes. Pero the homes naman talaga is beyond our control already or beyond the scope. But yeah,